It really balances together nice. This green juice is packed with bone-loving ingredients, from celery to green apples, parsley, and kale. Drinking something like this regularly while avoiding other foods I'm about to share with you can help build a strong foundation literally from the inside out. Osteoporosis is often called the silent disease because bone loss happens slowly, and most people don't even realize it until they experience a fracture or sudden bone pain. It's a condition where bones become weak and brittle due to a loss of bone density, making them more prone to breaks, especially in the hips, spine, and wrists. It affects millions of people, especially women over 50. But it's not just about aging. Poor diet, inactivity, and certain lifestyle habits can speed up bone loss. That's why nutrition plays such a powerful role, not only in healing, but also in prevention. Celery offers natural sodium, which works with other minerals to strengthen bones when consumed in its whole form like this. Green apples are rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, which helps the body form collagen, an important bone structure. Parsley brings vitamin K, which plays a key role in bone mineralization. And kale is a superstar, full of calcium, magnesium, and vitamin K, all essential for healthy bone density. So whether you're already managing osteoporosis or just thinking proactively, this juice is a gentle, nourishing way to support your body and your bones. Now, let's talk about foods to avoid when you're dealing with or healing from osteoporosis, or if you're just trying to protect your bone health. First, sodas and carbonated beverages. These often contain phosphoric acid, which can interfere with calcium absorption. Next, excess salt. A high sodium diet pulls calcium from the bones and eliminates it through urine. Then there's caffeine. Too much caffeine or energy drinks can also reduce calcium absorption if you're not balancing it with enough minerals. And finally, processed and packaged foods. These are often high in additives, salt, and preservatives that do little to support your bone strength. But the good news, food can also be medicine, and that's where juicing comes in. Okay, all right, so this is celery, green apple, parsley, and kale. This is good for osteoporosis. Let's see how it tastes. Very, very good. I think that the ratio in this is absolutely perfect. The kale is not overpowering. It's very much playing its role as a minor character in the story, okay? So it is not overpowering in here. The green apple is doing what it's supposed to do. It's delivering, okay? It's not super sweet. It's not sweet at all. It's actually more on the tart side. You can taste the celery. You can taste the celery for sure, but it's not overbearing, okay? I think the celery and the green apple are like competing for the #1 spot, okay? But then you have your leafies in here, your parsley, which is your herb, and your kale. And it really balances together nice. Like it's got like that nice tart flavor for a green juice, but it's not like super heavy on the veggies. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, the ones who get it, okay? Y'all get it. It's really good. I would definitely give this like a 9 out of 10. The only thing it's missing for me is a little bit of ginger, but because it's because of the nature of what it is, osteoporosis, typically you want to stay away from like your more acidy foods, like your pineapple, your prunes, things that turn into acid in the stomach. And so this combination is going to give you that relief, and it's going to help to rebuild your joints from the inside out. So listen, y'all, I don't care what diagnosis you received or how long ago you received it. I 100% believe that it is reversible. 100% believe it's reversible. I just do, okay? Call me crazy, right? Always seek your medical professional. I'm not a doctor. I'm certainly not your doctor, but I just believe in the power of what we're doing here, okay? I don't believe that God made any mistakes with you, with me, and with the food that he created us to eat, okay? I don't believe that he made any mistakes. So give it a try. Try to stick to this routine for 30 days, 3 to 5 days a week, if not more, and see if you can prove me wrong, okay? Before you make your claims that it doesn't work, before you make your claims that juicing doesn't work, I would like for you to stick to this routine for 30 days, 3 to 5 days per week minimum, okay? 3 days minimum, but of course more on the like 6-7 day side, but 3 to 5 days is minimum. So you can always do more, but never do less. Anyway, y'all, I am so very excited to help you witness true wellness once and for all. So thank you so much for watching. If you have not done so, go ahead and click subscribe. Help me reach more people and get this word out, get this news out, get these juices to your kitchens, okay? Thank you so very much for all of your support, and you guys will see me in my next video. Bye.